Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and on this Toyota Highlander we're going over how you change the lights. So this is the high beam, and then we have the low beam over here, or daytime light. So to remove it, we're just going to unhook the electrical connector by pressing the clip to release and unlock it, and then we unhook the electric there. And then right here you're going to grab the base of the light, turn it a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise, and that way you can remove the light. And this is the light removed. And this light, to get this light, you'll get a new one. And this light here is an H11. It can be an H11LL, which is long life, or just an H11. And then you'll want to take the light. We always do our best not to touch the light element. And we just take the light, be able to put it back in the housing at a 45 here, and then just turn it to the right a quarter turn and lock it into place, and then rehook up your electric connector. That's how you install your low beam headlight on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.